welcome back to another YouTube video. Niall Amari from Best RV in Turlock, California. Today I'm going to presenting to you, or today I'm inside the first toy haulers with a slide out inside the living area. Everybody has a slide out on the side, on the driver's side, passenger side, where you push the side, but no one have and invented a slide out in the middle of the toy haulers. It's a genius idea from Forest River on the Rogue. We're inside the Rogue 341 GS, has 11-foot garage, but the most interested, not just the garage, not like every Rogue toy haulers, it's what's in the middle of this toy haulers. Because what I'm gonna show you right now is gonna bring your chain to the floor, because I could not believe it when I walk into it. As you see where I'm standing right now, I'm inside the beautiful toy hauler. As typical, everybody has toy haulers. You have a slide out with a bunch of theater seating, like 1, 2, 3 here. And you have the TV and the fireplace facing the theater seating. Then you have the kitchen slide with the island in the middle. But no one invented this. This is a slide out in the middle of the living area. All the time slide here, but who slide in the middle of the area? It's very genius. Look what I'm doing. You walk to this area, you push the slide set out, and then the whole side, the whole wall is on a slide out in the middle of the living area. What a genius. And look what you're getting from it. Watch. What a beautiful. Voila! So I got whole this side on a slide out with the light, nice solid service countertop, and then you come over here. You want more seating? Nice solid service countertop, 2 bar stools, 1 and 2. Very simple and easy, and there's nothing to it. Pushing a switch and open a table, and now we have a nice beautiful dining area to serve people food or to sit and watch a game, have nice social conversation with the people sitting on these theater seating. As you see, theater seating, voila. Another one here, voila. Kick back. So I'm sitting watching TV, talking to my wife or my sons or my friends sitting on the table. Somebody serving us food, drinks, watching the game. And look how big this living area. So by doing that, I increase the space of the living area. I add up a dinette on a toy hauler with a garage, which is normally, if you've been looking around, only just this set, and that's it. Now you have this additional dinette tables on a slide out. And don't forget, stay here, watch. You open the latch. Sorry, forgot I have to open the latch. I'm so excited because this is new. I never seen in my 35 years selling RVs this. And voila, you have a beautiful window here, and it's magnet. Could you pass me some hot dog? And could you grab me the beer from the fridge? And you have additional counter space here. Plus, it's a 2-way cabinet. So you have this cabinet here and this cabinet here. And look what here you're getting. You're getting a full bar. So you don't have to tell them, pass me a beer, because you have a fridge here full of soda and beers and drinks. You have a counter space with 1 ice maker. So you take your ice, shovel your ice, mix your drink. Again, you don't drink alcohol, I understand, but it gives you a counter space and cabinet. Look, all this cabinet. And it gives you 2 refrigerators, a fridge in your garage and a fridge inside. And it gives you the opportunity to open and see the view. And you could sit here, stay here, there, and you could say, hello. Can you give me something? And that's the advantage. Gaining, number 1, more counter space. Number 2, cabinet in both sides. Number 3, a second refrigerator outside here. Number 4, ice maker. Number 6, more seating and more eating and more plugs. And again, if you don't want to use all of that, there's no problem. Just close that window and just enjoy the dining inside. So you end up with a dinette and a theater seating inside a 34-foot toy hauler with a garage. And by the way, this is 11-foot garage. And you don't have to open it. I mean, because if you look over here, we have enough distance to function and use this toy hauler without opening this slide. It's a genius way from Forest River Rogue. And you need to come to Best RV to see it, because no one believed me when I saw this unit, and I tell them, you have a slide out in the middle of the unit. What? What do you mean? Here it is. It's worth it. Coming in. Now, we're going to go in the rest of the unit to show you why you need to come see this one. Let's go inside. Again, I'm not repeating myself, but I'm gonna show you how big the distance and more living space. TV, fireplace, hidden pantry. Voila. With a light. There's a light here. So hidden pantry. Again, you put a place for a broom, hanging coats, brooms, whatever you want. It's right there. More shelf, more pantry. Storage here. And again, there's locking mechanism. Sorry guys, I never locked it. Let me lock it. Sound bars. Now 12-volt residential fridge, and then you could see it's 2 big doors and big freezer with doors. Kitchen, speak for itself. Huge counter space, multi sink with the waterfall, cup prints, high-rise faucets, 110 plug. I like this area. You put your coffee maker, your toasters, 110 plug, plenty storage for silverware, pantries, microwave, big 3-burner range with a backsplash and an oven, tinsel doors. They even give you a bunch of TV bracket for outside, place for trash can. 4 doors, plenty. Sometimes you open too many compartments. I want to show you this. So this is a speak for itself, from kitchen, from the light fixture, from the fantastic fan, from the modern lights in the top. Perfect. Let's go inside the living room. Wow. Wow, this is amazing. Barn door closets, king size bed, with the headboard with a pull down for cup holders. 4K projectors. As you see, you could watch your Netflix, YouTube, and there's app stores. Pull up top for the ladies. They put their makeup, jewelries, HDMI cables, socket doors, more doors, storage underneath. That's the table go between the dinette and the back. Come with the table. They ask me the questions. Barn doors with bunch of shelves, hanging clothes. And then you have Jack and Joe bath, where you could access it both way, from here or from there. Solid medicine cabinet, no issue for toilet. Solid metal sink, and then they have the big shower head, 1, 2, 3, 4, with a glass door. I like their doors, solid. No water's coming out. Skylight, no issues. Another fantastic fan in the bathroom. And then when you go to the garage, now I have it in this position, but I could show you both. Now, a lot of customers, they're gonna ask me, wait a minute, you slide this one, you eat my garage floor. Yes, the way how it's designed is when you're traveling, having your toys inside the garage, you slid it in, okay? When you are in the dunes and you have your toy outside, now this is a perfect for you and the wife or the kids or whatever, somebody sitting here watching a movie in the TV. And by the way, it's on a swing arm, because people, they say, how are you going to see the TV from this light? Yeah, sir, it's on a swing arm. So this smart TV, you swing it. Matter of fact, here, let me show you. So it's in a swing arm. So I could sit here, enjoy the movie, have my drink, and chill out in this nice room. And the kids also, you have upper bed. If you go that way, I'll show you. So 2 people sleep here on the top. And there's a picnic table out underneath the bed. You put the table here, sit, enjoy the movie. So the people on the top sitting, enjoying, and you're sitting here enjoying. And that's what's about the Rogue 341GS. It's a unique with a slide out in the middle of the unit. Now I want to show you the position when I close the slide, so how it look like. So you stay, the cameraman stay here. I'm gonna go inside. And then I'm gonna bring the slide out in. So now the slide is in. Now I raise this bit up. Nice. And now look how roomy it is. Look how beautiful this is roomy. And if the cameraman comes standing here, they will show you how roomy this area. Sit, enjoy, and you're not disturbing the living room inside. I mean, look, the counter still, if the cameraman show you from here, they still have a lot of room. So there's no issue whatsoever. And then those bar stool, you could scoop them, move them. The cameraman, he'll move them for you to show you. I don't have to slit it out. I mean, I could keep it that way if I want to. And I still have plenty of room. And more room in the garage. So that's the advantage of the Rogue 341GS comparing the other brands. It's a unique, and also what Best RV always do, supported with a low price, no haggling, no gimmick, no dealer prep fees, no destination. We give you the price, we did the homework for you, we do the doubt for you, and we give you the best and the lowest price up front. Come to Best RV and grab the 341GS.